Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Ghoul Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your browser and type on the search bar Ghoul Discord server. Okay, press enter. Now, go on the first website, Ghoul uh, colon slash re. Now, as you can see, I've been invited to join the server. Just click on accept as and you will join the server. Now, if you can't join the server through this direct link, just go back again on the browser, copy the link over here, go again on Discord, go on the left side, click on add a server. Now, click on join a server and paste the link over here. Okay, now click on join server and confirm you are human, and that's it. You're good to go. That's how you can join Ghoul Discord server. Thanks for watching.